Now you can do more than just analyze price movements on a candlestick chart. You can place orders too. Introducing our new chart order feature for BingX Perpetual Futures. Chart Order lets you set up and execute a trade order directly on the candlestick chart, including limit, market, take profit, and stop loss orders. Click the Chart Order icon on the trading page to open the Chart Order panel. Drag the open line, take profit line, and stop loss line to adjust the order. Move the slider to control the amount. Lastly, click Open Long or Open Short to place your order. For a more immersive trading experience, you can switch to full screen mode. Empower your trade today with BingX Chart Order feature.